Hi dear Odooers! In this video we're going to talk about reports and how you can customize existing reports to suit your needs. So let's get started. First of all, let's customize the default layout of all our reports. This is done outside of Studio, so we'll go to Settings, and in the Companies section I will click Configure Document Layout. From here I will add my company's logo, and as you can see, Odoo automatically adapts the colors used throughout the report, which I will leave as they are. The rest looks good to me, so I'll just save all these changes. Now, if we want to customize a specific report, let's say the sales order report, we can access the Sales app, open Studio, and access our reports. The reports displayed here are the ones linked to the current model, in this case the sales order model. I can remove the filter to display all existing reports if I need to. Now, before you edit an existing report, it's best to duplicate it first, using this option on the three dots. That way, you keep available the original report at all times in case you make a mistake. The first thing I want to do now is actually remove this original report from the print menu. So I will disable the show in print menu option here, and I will also rename it to know that it's the original one. I will save this one, and we will start working on the new report here, that I will also rename. Perfect. Now let's talk about the report editor. Let's say I want to have the title in bold. I can simply select the text and format it as I want using the options on top. In this case, bold. Let's save our changes real quick just in case.
And what are the dotted rectangles?
Oh, these are conditional blocks. If I click on one here, you can actually see the condition that is defined to display this output and select another one to see what it looks like. As you can see, the text displayed is now quotation instead of pro forma invoice depending on the condition.
And what about the text in blue?
The blue text represents placeholders. So for example here, the SO number will be replaced by the actual sales order number when you generate the report. The same goes for the dates, such as the quotation date, the expiration, or even the salesperson here. Speaking of which, I don't want to see this information on my report, so I can simply remove it. And instead, I would like to show the contact type of my customer. So I will add again the label with the semicolon. And to add content other than regular text, you can actually hit slash and select one of the available options there. In this case, that will be a field where I select my customer, click on the right arrow to access its related fields, and I will decide to show its contact type. The last thing that's left to do is to add a default value or the placeholder to show that this will show my contact type. I will simply format this again. And I think we're done with the changes. So now what you can do is click the print preview button, and the PDF that I will download will actually display, as you can see here, the newly added contact type with its output for this specific customer. That's it for this video. If you want to learn more about report customization, be sure to check our online documentation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Back to you in the studio.